Hey guys, Meska here. So this is update to the yesterday video. As I said, I'm making my own tutorial with open world multiple RPG systems. Okay, so why I pick Team Terrain for my tutorial. Also, why I would like to recommend this model. It's the landscape and mesh terrain new feature that Epic introduced, because there are some little small details that show that is the most performant model. Okay, so I showed you yesterday that each tile for mesh terrain was about 40k. I have here 80k. Yeah, triangles. Okay, and I have 1k tiles. This is my open world made height map and optimized with teens. What are teens? So it's the presentation of the mesh that is optimized with a special algorithm called Delanuay triangulation. So it makes specific triangles. Okay, so it's optimized. It's good algorithm for optimized terrains. Okay, so how I did that? I bought this software. Okay, I've contacted with owner of this software producer. Okay, and he made for me the team tiles, because he owns like quantum PC. So this is the important part. If you want to make that performant tiles, you need to contact with him, and of course with the money you can export your height map from the PNG and cut them to the tiles, of course. Okay, and optimize with this algorithm. How it looks. So we have nanite triangles. Okay, as you see, nanite pretty good work with this terrain. So I showed you yesterday that mesh terrain introduced from 5.8 from Epic looks like about 10 seconds. Yeah, here it's instant, no cracks, everything is loaded. Low memory allocation because they have not much triangles. Each tile take about 3 megabytes streamed. Always allocated. See, the level is it's pretty nice. It's fast. Okay, no issues. As you see, this is why I picked this terrain for my game. Okay, this is the setup I use. So it's nanite, voxelized, and fallback triangles reduced to 50% because the dot parameter are such a shapes of the tiles, so it can be problems with the collisions, and so this is the max I would like recommend to reduce. It reduces the quality and the distance, so you will also have more space to your allocation of GPU. Okay, as you see, fallback triangles pretty low because I also had LOD1. It's probably reading of the engine problem, but yeah, as you see, there is no reduction so much. So probably this is the reading problem of the engine about the file. Yeah. 0 overdraw, 0 instant loading. So I highly recommend to use that, or also I recommend to follow my tutorial how to make open world game. We made how do you get your teams. Highly recommend to buy the software and make your own height map. Okay, and contact with the Dimension Media about making the teams for your terrain. It will take his computer like 1 day of working, but it's also costly, so asking about the price, but you will get the most performant terrain. There are downsides, of course, because water bodies doesn't work on them. So thank you very much for watching this video. Also recommend to follow my open world tutorial and support me on Patreon. We are going to make new lessons with C++ starting. Okay, I've made free tier for also how you can add materials. I forgot to mention this easy of use materials. So we select them all. Yeah, okay. This is how it works. Yeah. Easy, fast, and performant. Right. So, as I said, I highly recommend to follow my tutorial guide how to make open world game. So we made introduction about features and optimization, the meshes, and always materials and some stuff that is very cool. So you have that knowledge how to improve your performance for open world levels. So we are using a full night approach. So follow me. Also highly recommend to subscribe me on Patreon, that you can get more detailed info. Also access to the Discord channel. And there is also we'll be starting a C++ lesson soon. So we're going full maximized performance mode for open world games. See you soon. Bye.